BSP National Coordinator and Mayawati's nephew, Akash Anand, spoke exclusively to CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh. The young scion of BSP, who has been touring from West UP districts since 6th of April, shared his poll strategy and said that polls should be about real issues like inflation, unemployment and not mandir and masjid. He also said that BSP is the only party which is questioning BJP. Let's listen in.
Why is it that there is this perception that the BSP is no longer a player or it's taking a backseat? Is that true?
So I believe it is just a perception and perception alone. If you look at the data, whether it was 2014 or 2019, we continue to maintain our vote percentage at roughly 19%. I think it's the narrative that the opposing parties have created in the media.
Why we don't understand, why is it that this perception goes out? But having said that, you're also accused of being the B team of the BJP.
I think it's part of that perception or narrative to, if I were to put this, and I would like to say this in a very, feeling that I think it's very responsible to say so, दुश्मन अपने सबसे, ताकतवर दुश्मन को ही अटैक करता है. I think their continuous attack on BSP solidifies our belief in our movement, in our love for our people, and their support, people's support for us. I think उन्हें डर लगता है तो BSP से ही लगता है, तभी बार बार हम पे वार करते हैं. कैसे कह सकते हैं स्कैर्ड है? अगर कोई राम मंदिर के, जब समय राम मंदिर का है, तो बाबरी मस्जिद के लिए किन लोगों ने बात करी? आई डोंट थिंक सो कि किसी और लीडर ने इतनी हिम्मत भी करी होगी कि बाबरी मस्जिद का नाम लिया जाए. बट मैम अकेली थी जिन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके उस चीज को वेलकम किया, राम मंदिर की इनॉग्रेशन को भी वेलकम किया और ये भी बोला कि जब बाबरी मस्जिद का इनॉग्रेशन होगा तो हम उसको भी वेलकम करेंगे. बट आई डोंट सी अदर पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स सेइंग, मेकिंग सच स्टेटमेंट्स. सो डर किस चीज का है? कौन कहता है डर लगता है? बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता.
Okay. But Anuj, I've also seen that political parties are now trying to appeal to the next generation, the younger generation. Unfortunately, the BSP comes across as a party, according to many, to your critics, as a party which is representing an earlier generation. So young people like you are not being seen coming out more and more. Isn't that time come now for the transition to take place? Even the Trinamool Congress, for example, even though it's Mamata Banerjee centric, it's also projecting Abhishek Banerjee a lot.
Yeah.
Isn't it time for the BSP to project Akash Anand more?
No.
I mean, young people will appeal to younger people, or you still want to be making it Mayawati centric?
No, so it is still ma'am centric, and it'll continue to be till the last day that she chooses to be. We, as younger generation that is participating in Bahujan Samaj Party, I think there are plenty of provisions made by ma'am to give voices to the young. I don't know if the mainstream media or people in general understand or know this, but if you look at our party structure, जितने भी पदाधिकारी के posts हैं, उसमें 50% are reserved for younger generations, younger people. So people who are below 35, those posts are reserved for them. And ma'am has made this apparently very clear that कि अगर नेशनल लेवल पे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स का पोजीशन रखा, 2 पोजीशंस रखी, जिसपे हमारे जो अभी राज्यसभा सांसद हैं रामजी गौतम जी हैं और एक मैं हूँ. सो आई थिंक अ लिटिल बिट मोर मैच्योर